This is Matt with Matt Ashman Equipment Inc. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit about this IHI or Hitachi 18J. A few things I just want to point out cosmetically. With this machine, we got a little bit, the seats tore up here down at the bottom and back here. Paint wise, it's pretty faded, not the greatest looking. But run-wise, it's a really nice machine. Brand new tracks, like new brand new tracks. You come around, it's got a little Isuzu engine. Runs out really nice. The hour meter shows 1,000 hours. It runs like 1,000 hours, but I can't guarantee it. It's a really nice, cheap little Mini X. For under $15,000. If you guys are interested, give me a call, 507-841-2457, or visit us at our website at Matt Ashman Equipment on our website, and then Facebook page Matt Ashman Equipment Inc. Thanks, guys.
So this is an IHI 18J Mini Excavator. It's showing 1,035 hours. It's got a 7-foot 8-inch digging depth, Isuzu Diesel engine, a 18-inch tooth bucket, 43-inch backfill blade, like new tracks, 3,989-pound operating weight. As you can see, it runs and works good. This one is $13,250. We do nationwide delivery and nationwide financing. So give us a call anytime to make this machine yours.